Hunter Constantine here. We just got our first reps in with the Nova Concealment appendix in the waistband holster. There's 4 things I look for when choosing an EDC holster. The first is concealability, second is retention, third is comfort, and fourth is grip. So this holster is packed with a ton of features to help with all 4 of those things. First, on concealability, there's 2 main features that will help with this, and that's the discreet carry clips and the carrying claw. These discreet carry clips are made out of metal. They work on almost any belt. They have a nice little claw in the back side of there that will hook onto your belt to make sure that when you go to draw, this holster will stay in place no matter what. Next is the carry claw. This pushes against your belt line, which pushes the grip into your body. What that allows it to do is create a flatter profile so you can conceal carry in a t-shirt, which is great for summer coming up. Next is retention. This holster is CNC cut to each specific model of gun. He also has light bearing holsters as well. Specifically, this is for a VP9, H&K VP9. You can hear it click into place. That's the type of retention we're looking for because that gun's not going to go anywhere. Next is comfort, right? Some people have nice big bulky holsters, whatever it is. This is nice and slim, slips right into your belt. You wear this all day. I've worn it driving, worn it at the range, and it's comfortable. There's not much to say on it other than it fits well and fits your body well. Lastly is grip. This will make or break a holster for me, but I want to ensure that I get a full grip on that gun. So you can see the trigger guard is exposed here and the entire grip. This claw is set a little bit down, so when my hand comes in here, I can set that master grip when it comes in. Combining all 4 things makes for an excellent choice for an EDC holster. Comes in multiple colors, multiple models. I'd check it out and see. I'm very impressed. It's cut for optics as well, so if you have an RMR, Delta Point, whatever your favorite optic is, the holster is cut for that. It's also cut for suppressor height sights if you like running backup irons. It's another great option. Go ahead and check out Nova Concealment. We'll have the link down below.